What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video, and we will show you how to download Soulmask on your PC. So simply go to Google and type in Soulmask. Now the video game will appear. After you have ticked in Soulmask, just enter the first result on Steam. Steam is my favorite gaming platform, so click on it. After you have arrived at the homepage of the game on Steam, simply watch the videos if you see something you like. Do you like this game and you already have decided to play this game and want to download it? Scroll down and after that you can see Buy Soulmask. You get a 10% discount on this game if you add it to your cart right now. After you have added it to your cart, click on View My Cart. After that, just sign in to purchase and finish the purchasing process. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know which video game you want to see next. See you guys, bye bye.